Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Car Release TV. Today we're diving into a stunning new chapter in Cadillac's legacy, the 2025 Brougham. Imagine a car that perfectly balances Cadillac's iconic design with a sleek, modern twist. Intrigued? Stick around. Before we jump in, if you're as excited as we are about the latest car releases, make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with fellow car lovers. Now, let's get into it. Cadillac's 2025 Brougham takes luxury to a whole new level. Starting with the exterior, Cadillac has stayed true to its roots, featuring a bold, attention-grabbing grille paired with sleek LED headlights. Together, they create a front-end design that's unmistakably Cadillac, yet refreshingly modern. It's a seamless blend of the classic Cadillac feel we love and the future-forward aesthetic we crave. Now, let's step inside. The 2025 Brougham offers nothing short of an opulent experience. Premium leather, rich wood, and metal finishes surround you, with options for tailored stitching and an array of color schemes, letting you personalize every detail. The spacious seating and innovative storage solutions make it a comfortable retreat for drivers and passengers alike. But Cadillac didn't stop there. The 2025 Brougham comes with two powerful engine options. First up, a twin-turbocharged V6 for those who crave that traditional American muscle feel. This engine delivers robust power and an exhilarating drive that's bound to impress. For those looking toward the future, there's an all-electric option. Cadillac's electric drivetrain offers a smooth, quiet ride, zero emissions, and all the efficiency you'd expect from a modern luxury vehicle. Whether you're an eco-conscious driver or a power enthusiast, the 2025 Brougham has something special to offer. With its blend of classic Cadillac charm and modern innovation, the 2025 Brougham is a true game-changer. So, what's your pick? The turbocharged V6 or the eco-friendly electric drivetrain? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and we'll see you next time on Car Release TV.